Hi, today I am going to share some more details on that binary that I have been working on. So initially we were considering only one counter per day for the strategies to print the data from your from your Telegram channel or your Excel sheets, right? But now what I have developed is I have developed to consider multiple counters a day. So for example, if I just expand this, okay, okay. So as you can see here, this is basically a paper trading account, and there are two strategies taken from this person, Market Star, kind of a famous guy. Um, this strategy is basically considering multiple counters a day. That means it can happen that on the same day, counters 227, 28, and 229 are triggered whenever the logic has been set up in the live market. Okay, similarly, I have considered another strategy from the same guy, and multiple counters are considered here as well. Okay, uh, uh, before that, the binary was supporting only one counter a day, and one counter as in that is, for example, in this case, only the 229 counter was considered, and in any trade, there are strategies from like Blue Whale or White Shark, and some other are there. So which we are considering only one counter a day, and in the same counter, the setups were created and the strikes were taken, getting triggered, right? And the PNL was considered only for the same counter. So now, what I have done is the going to the technical things. See, this is the let me just go to the folder structure. So initially we were using .env file, strategy mapping, template ID, and this executable file. Okay. Now to support multiple counters a day, we need basically two different files as well. So one is your multi counter strategies mapping, and the other is last counter.txt. Okay. So going to the multi counter strategies mapping, this name has to be same. You can give any name, but that name has to be put into your env file uh, here. Okay, so it should be like dot slash something, the name of the text file, and the variable has to be same, multi underscore counter underscore strategies underscore mapping. All right, the same way that we are using for single counter a day strategies. All right. Okay, going back to the setup. So here you will have to add all the strategies which we are considering multiple counters a day. Okay, and this nomenclature is same, is equals to the short form of the strategy name if you want to give double colon and the template ID of the strategy. You can skip the short name, then it will consider only the first two keywords into the PNL. Okay, for example, in this case, I have skipped here, only the template ID is mentioned and the short form is not mentioned. So in that case, the PNL will be shown as Bank Nifty Premium. And in the first case, it will show as IP Eater, okay, instead of the index premium meter, the PNL part into your Telegram channel. Okay, then this last counter.txt, it this is the one-time activity that you need to perform. You create a last counter.txt file. Okay, this is hard coded into the binary, so you need to use the same txt file, same name. Okay, and give the strategies name which are considering multiple counters a day. Okay, and add the last counter of the of, of current day where the market is ending. For example, in this case, as you can see that index premium meter is having 229 counter, and similarly bank nifty premium is having 241 counter. Okay, so what I have done is I am considering that, let's say for example, for testing purpose today, the index premium, no, today, let's say yesterday market was opened, and it the last counter was 226, and similarly for bank nifty premium it was 239. So what the binary will do from 227 till the current market, the current counter is running, it will print all the data to it, and it will basically consider, for example, in this case, I have given 239, so it will consider from 240 till the last counter, current counter. It will add sum up all the profit and loss and show it to your Telegram channel with the name of the strategy is equals to the PNL of the all the counters. Similarly for every strategy. Okay, so now this is done, and rest this is strategy.txt. This is basically for the Excel sheet. So you need to add the same name of the same name of the strategies which consider multiple counters, and these names has to be same into your Google Sheet as well. So I think this is already covered into your, one of the previous videos. You may consider that it is the same. It's just that I have added the logic to it, so it will now consider the multiple counters also. Okay. Apart from that, strategy mapping, this was also discussed previously. This file is for considering one counter a day, and template id.txt is basically if your strategy is having is getting any error execution or anything like that, so it will consider this particular file. So add all the um, template IDs of those strategies that you are running, and rest assured with your binary file, it will make sure that your errors, if there are any errors, it will throw to your Telegram group. Okay, let's go back to this file. Okay, alongside, I have added one more thing, X percentage target is equals to, you can give any. So what it will consider, it will basically consider that it will inform the user that a particular target based on your deployed strategies. For example, if you these are like, let me just share here. So for example, this is like 3.2 lakh, and similarly, this strategy needs 1.7, so around 4 point something lakh is there, right? So based on this deployed capital, uh, if 1% of your target is reached, it will start triggering this, and after every 5 seconds, in this case, you can increase it or change it accordingly. So it will keep triggering that you have got 1% of the target, and you can either take decision according to that. So you can even change it to zero point 0.5 or anything like that. So I'll keep it one as of now. Okay, let's go to the demo part. I'll open this one. So these are the files that actually you will need. Okay. Before that, the logic behind this last counter, what it will do is it will this is the first time activity that you need to perform manually, add this data, and then what it will do is at during the end of the day, as in these are the two variables, trade and hour and trade and minute. So whatever the hour and minute you will give, for example, 15, that is 3 p.m., and let's say 20, okay, or generally 15 people give. So what it will do, it will basically close, or it will, the binary will stop at 3 p.m., 3:15 p.m. Okay. So now you need to basically make sure that your own expressions should be this is basically 4 minutes, the first star divided by 5, so it should be divided by properly divided by, like 15 divided by 5 should be equals to should not give any reminder to it, yeah, like this. Okay, then only it will consider and append this last figure data to it. That means, for example, if it is divided by 15, you make sure that you run it either 5 or divided by 15. Okay. If you keep it like this, divided by 2, so make sure that you change it to 20 or 10, so that the minutes divided by 2 should give zero reminder, like you divide you in terms of maths basically. There is a logic behind it. Okay, I have kept a flag so that whenever this particular time comes, like 15 3 p.m. and 3:10 p.m., 3 hours and 10 minutes, then that strategy should trigger. And if it has to trigger the cron expression should also run on that time. So the cron expression will run in this case after every 2 minutes. So if you are mentioning like after every 2 minutes, as in divided by 2 minutes. Okay, make sure not it's like it's not like you are running it and then it will consider 2 minutes. No, it will consider divided by two. Okay, it will run after every even number of minutes. Okay, so make sure to use it properly, otherwise this last counter will not be updated. Okay, this is a logic behind it that I have applied. Okay, so make sure about it. Let's go back to the demo of it. So these are the files and this is the binary that I have updated. Simply go back to cmd command prompt and run your ppnl bin.exe. um, One more thing before I'll proceed ahead with this, you need to update your TT cookie according to your account. Okay, and this also has to be updated like paper trading or live auto. Okay, and these are discussed already in the previous video. Please refer to those. All right. Apart from that, okay, there are so many features that I have implemented. This is basically the end of the PNL. Yeah, there are people who do not want, after every 2 minutes, like me, do not want the data in Excel sheet after every 2 minutes. They want that it has to update only at the end of the day. So I have created this one. So you change it according to your, need. Like for example, like at 3 p.m., 3:10 p.m. it should run from Monday to Friday. Okay, and this is the sheet ID to your daily day trade Excel sheet. Okay, and this is the header ID. So these are discussed already in the previous videos. So what it will do, it will basically dump the data into this sheet and at 3 3:10 p.m. Okay, so you can also use this one if you want to. So I'll just change it not to. Right, let's go back to the demo. So this is the file, so I'll just run it and I hope it will, okay. Yeah, so this is out of the market time. Okay, so because on the end time I am mentioning is 15 or 10, so it will not run. So what I'll do, I'll just change it to 23. So let me just go back. Mhm, mhm. All right. As you can see that there are two strategies in this particular account. Okay, and it has started running. Um, okay, just a minute. Let me just give it to some 5 seconds. It will run. I mean, let me just window 5 seconds. Okay, and this is today's Saturday, so it should run. So I'll go back and the one of the better ways you if there is any change in the environment file, you close the command prompt and then rerun it again. Generally, it should be a process that you should adhere with. Okay, so after every 5 seconds, the data should be there. Let me just go back, and this is my Telegram channel. As you can see, this one at 9:23. So the data is there, and this is the IP header, and because I consider a short name, and as you can observe that the link is there for that for this particular thing. Similarly, the below strategy that is there, and the link is also there for this one as well. But it is considering two words because I did not give any short name to it. Okay, and the percentage that attached to it. Um, Total PNL percentage, maximum PNL, minimum PNL for the day. In this case, minimum PNL and BP because we are considering it manually, the minimum PNL and maximum PNL, the binary will calculate, and that's why you are seeing at minimum PNL is zero because it is calculating inside it, and we have run it just now. Okay, and the overall target 1%. I did mention it in your in the environment profile that I need 1%, so 1% has reached. Okay, so it will keep bombarding the details. It is not running it continuously. Let me just go back and check it. I was giving some issue previously also. Let me just go here, and simply double click it. You can also double click it, but the thing is, whenever the it will stop executing, the terminal will get closed automatically, right? So you can observe here that after at least 5 seconds, this is getting printed. The telegram notification for PNL is sent. Let's go back here. You can see and observe that the data has been populated here. If we stop it now, and I hope this thing will help people who are running uh, trade prompts. And yeah, that is it from my side. Thank you so much. And just let me know if you need any other. Thank you. Bye bye.